Are you wondering if this VEVOR griddle is the right griddle for you? So here's my experience. While we watch me cook, we did a cooked on it for a couple days just to get a real good experience. This is a 22-inch stainless steel 1600-watt electric countertop griddle. It has adjustable temperature control, which makes life very easy to work with. You know what? Let me go back to the past and let myself talk to you and tell you the review. Before I tell you how much I love this, let me ask you please to help out the channel. We need you to subscribe, click the follow button if that's the option, smash that like, and comment below. Be the first one to comment. Let us know what your favorite thing is to make on a griddle like this, because we've gone wild with it. We've done everything from the traditional bacon, eggs, French toast, fajitas. No, not steak. But Nikki made some amazing grilled cheese with bacon and tomato. It was just spectacularly yummy. Lots and lots of butter. Really good though, super yummy. I love this because it's so easy to clean. You just kind of wipe it down, give it a little scrub, and it's ready to go again. The one thing, there is one little complaint I will have. Actually like it for the cooking purposes. It's definitely a little hotter on this side to this spreading across this way. I'm not sure, it could just be my model, it could be just the way they heat. It's a little ombre. So like if somebody wanted well done eggs, you would put them on this side, a little lighter done, you put it on this side. It's not a huge dramatic thing, but I definitely noticed that there's a little bit of a spread from right to left here. Actually made it easier to cook a variety of different things at the same time. The little cleaning tray is great. Honestly, super easy. It would be great in a commercial setting. It would be great in our kitchen like this. You could really pretty much use this anywhere. I would definitely recommend it. Yeah, that's what I'm going to say. I highly recommend it. We are absolutely enjoying this. I hope this has been helpful. We'll see you next time.